What are the 3 things you need in your workout? And I'll give you a hint. None of these 3 are equipment. Let's get into it. So the first thing you need in any workout plan is to be consistent. If it's not going to work out for your lifestyle, if you're not going to stick with it, it's not going to help you. So what is it you can do, whether it's cardio, swimming, sports, weightlifting, any sort of training? What can you be consistent at doing? So if you actually want to see growth and improvement in your health, in your fitness, you need to give consistent patterns for your body to actually adapt and grow. So to do that, I'd pick a couple days a week that you know are good days for your schedule where you can devote to your workout. Now, how many days a week? And that gets into our second point, which is your body needs rest and recovery time. So I say rest and recovery because it covers 2 things really. It's not only sleep, but also how long does it take for your body to heal from soreness. And this is where you have to make a bit of a judgment call. If you are sore from your previous workout, you might want to give yourself an extra day. If you didn't sleep well, give yourself a little more time to recover from your previous workout. But I would try and get 2 to 3 workouts per week, giving yourself about a day between workouts, maybe up to 2 days if you're feeling especially tired. So the third thing is nutrition. You want to set yourself up for success eating what you need to get the most out of your workout. Now here we get a little bit of difference depending on what sort of workout you want to do. For weightlifting, you probably would want to increase your protein amount because you're building a lot more muscle, you need that protein. If you're looking to lose weight, maybe you're doing some cardio or some walking, running, that sort of thing, then you want to look at having a small calorie deficit to actually decrease the amount of weight you have. Now I say a small calorie deficit because if you go too large of a calorie deficit, it can actually backfire and slow down your metabolism. So something to watch out for, be careful. But in all these things, you're going to want to be consistent. So in your recovery, in your rest, in your nutrition, and in your workout, you need to be consistent. Now, if you need a recommendation on how to start working out, I have a at-home, no equipment shoulder workout video. Go ahead and click right up there. It'll walk you through some ways of working your shoulder, especially in the rotator cuff and stability that I think are important fundamentals for any upper body exercises that you might be doing.